have to say, I almost didn't make this appointment. I've planned trips before. I know how to use Google.
Good. That means you're the kind of person who does their research. I like working with people like that. So, tell me about the trip you're trying to plan.
Disney World, family trip, 2 kids, 7 and 10. We've never been. My wife wants it to be, the trip.
Okay, when are you thinking?
Late September, maybe? I heard crowds are lighter.
You heard right. September is one of the best windows. After school starts, before fall break hits. And there's a parade lineup in late September I think your kids are going to love. But here's the thing. September has a few dates that are still going to crowd up around a regional soccer tournament weekend. I can help you thread the needle on that.
I did not know that. Okay, but all of this is on the Disney website, right? I can go book the hotel, buy the tickets, pick the restaurants. Why do I need a middleman?
You can do all of that. Absolutely. And some people do, and they have a good trip. But here's what the Disney website won't tell you. The best table in Be Our Guest faces the Beast's enchanted window, and you have to know to ask for it. It won't tell you that if your 7-year-old is going to cry anywhere in the Magic Kingdom, it'll probably be in the Haunted Mansion. And whether that's a story you want or not is something we can plan for.
Okay, that's weirdly specific.
That's the job. The Disney website sells you a vacation. I design an experience. I handle the dining reservations, some of which open 60 days out and are gone in minutes if you're not watching. I build your park itinerary so you're not wandering. I monitor your booking for price drops after you book. If Disney drops the rate, I get you the difference. And I'm available on my cell the day you're there if anything goes sideways.
Okay, straight question. Does using you cost me more money? Like, where do you make money on this?
Great question, and I'd rather you ask it than wonder. For most Disney vacations, cruises, and resort packages, I'm compensated directly by the supplier. Disney pays me a commission when I book your trip. You pay exactly the same price you'd pay booking direct. Sometimes less, because I know the promotions and packages that aren't always obvious on the booking page.
So I get more and pay the same?
You get more, you pay the same, and you get someone who has been there, knows the product, and is watching your reservation even after you book it. Think of it like having a real estate agent. The buyer doesn't pay the commission, the seller does, but the buyer gets full representation.
That's actually a really good analogy. What if I already know what I want? Like, I spent 3 hours on Reddit last week reading Disney trip reports. I know the parks, I know the hotels I'm interested in.
Even better. Seriously, if you've done that research, you're already ahead. My job isn't to replace what you know, it's to add to it and execute on it. The research tells you what you want. I figure out how to get it, at the right price, in the right order, with nothing falling through the cracks. Because the difference between a good Disney trip and a great Disney trip is usually 40 small decisions made correctly.
40?
At least 40. Park hopper timing, genie plus strategy, resort location versus rope drop access. Whether your kids eat at 5:30 or 7:30 changes the whole evening flow. You've got the vision. I've got the blueprint.
Here's my actual nightmare scenario. We're at the airport, flight gets canceled, resort screws up our room, something goes wrong. What then? Because if I booked it myself through Expedia, I'm on hold for 3 hours.
That's exactly it. That's the moment where a travel agent earns every single penny of the commission the supplier paid. When something goes wrong, and sometimes something does, you're not calling an 800 number. You're calling me. I have direct supplier contacts. I know who to call. I know what language to use. And while you're standing in that airport with 2 tired kids, I am working the phone on your behalf.
My brother-in-law booked through one of those discount sites last year. Hurricane hit. They were in Mexico. Took him 4 days to get a refund.
That's one of the reasons I always talk to my clients about travel protection, too. It's not just about getting the money back. It's about having someone in your corner who already knows your booking, your family, your situation. You don't have to explain yourself to a stranger at midnight.
Okay, I'll be honest, I came in here thinking I was gonna be polite for 20 minutes and then go book it myself tonight.
That's fair, and I wouldn't have taken it personally.
But this actually makes sense. This is what you do. This is your job.
It's more than that. I love it. I genuinely love getting someone to Disney for the first time and hearing about it when they get back. When a kid meets their favorite character and completely loses it, that's why I'm here. You're not just booking a trip. You're building a memory your family will talk about for the rest of their lives. I want to help you get that right.
All right, let's do this. Where do we start?
We start with the question every great trip begins with: what does your family love most about being together?